Racial tensions have been brought to the fore in 2020, and the organization Burlington Against Racism has been working with the Burlington Public Schools Equity Committee and is seeking the support of the school committee to fund a full-time director of equity and inclusion in Burlington Public Schools.
This is a senior level position that would be full-time. It would entail many facets within the school and also in the community. So this position would support students. It would help create and monitor incident protocols, reporting, following up, support. It would work with teachers on curriculum development and cultural responsive programming. It would support teachers of color and the hiring and support and retention of future teachers of color, because we really think it's imperative for our students' mental health, support, safety, and learning. And we want to make sure that this position is seen as a priority and that the school committee will endorse moving forward with this. You know, our statistics are that 35% of our students identify as non-white, and our teaching staff does not reflect that. There have been incidences of racism through social media for the older kids, but I've also heard from elementary aged kids that this is happening. We have a very charged climate with the protests and rallies that have been going on, and I think people need a professional who knows how to handle these conversations and how to support students, their families, and the faculty through these conversations. There are some town meeting members who are submitting the warrant to the school committee to prorate and fund this position, so that when we get this position hired, therefore the funds will come from the town reserves for this year, and then moving forward would be part of the school budget. It's becoming very prevalent as a common position for schools, and even some towns are having these positions posted where they're managing a diversity, equity, and inclusion department within a town. So this is the direction that the communities are moving into through their schools and through their town administrations. And I think that it's imperative for Burlington to make sure we're taking care of our community in that way as well.
No peace! No peace!
Instances in the news and instances between students, they really do create harm. And our staff need support in order to help support the students. And we need a professional to come and do that. And this is an opportunity for us to show our community how much we actually care about our students.
Burlington Against Racism will be presenting at the August 18th meeting of the Burlington School Committee, which you can watch live on BCAT's Education channel and on the BCAT Government Facebook page. I'm B News reporter Tad Stefanak.